Perfect.
Okay, there we go. It is the 11th of September, 2025. This is WIKISPEED Stand Up. Lauren, you ready?
Yes. Okay, so this is Lawrence Salter, Gulf Island, British Columbia, Canada. And the past week, I've mostly been trying to back up the computer I've been using only for WikiSpeed for the LRW, Little Red Wagon, and uh, so I've made some progress with that. It's something that I I didn't get around to for a while, and I'm doing it now, doing the work now, so it should be useful. And yeah, I think we talked, yeah, during the week, yeah, we talked a little bit about various things. So you'll probably talk about that, about the smartwatch, and uh, that's kind of it for me. A coming week, I'm just gonna carry on with upgrading so that I can test the vision chip. And so I think I will get the vision chip done, tested, and whatever next step is either works or I go back to the uh, manufacturer, uh, try and troubleshoot it somehow. And would be nice to get back to doing something with the little car or something. I'll talk and crosstalk about whether to just how we'll work together with the cars or with the other devices you have, the other hardware you have. And blocks are just that I have put off, getting deeper or getting back into Unix and Linux. And so that's it for me.
Okay, so Michael Olchuk's asking Canada. Not a lot to report for this week. As you mentioned, we discussed putting a section in the Wiki Factory for hardware that we're planning to use. In Circuit Cellar, I found a article on a smartwatch that actually runs on an ESP32. So it has the little display. It has a regular ESP32. You can download to it from the Arduino IDE. And it also has an inertial management unit and an accelerometer. So it's what they use for checking steps and for which direction you're facing, and like a electronic compass. So it's a cool little gadget that's already installed with the watch. I think we can use that on our Little Red Wagon, um, just as a standalone, keep track of how far we've gone and what direction we're facing, so that we don't have to play around with hardware, get drivers running, that kind of stuff. We can just use it as is. It's something like $37 US, so not it's expensive enough, but it's not very expensive given how much stuff is on it. And I don't have any other progress to report. Next week, hopefully I can, I've been saying this for a long time. Hopefully I can get started on Docker. I don't think there's a very good chance, but I'll try. And Block's sister-in-law passed away this week, so probably
I'm
this
so
come.
sorry.
Oh, thank you. Probably the next week here sometime we're gonna be going to the funeral, so it's gonna kind of take a lot of time. And I guess that's about it. Back to you.
Okay. Uh, yeah. So I'll give myself. I didn't make. I spent some time. I didn't make all the progress I would like to, but I'll have to give myself a 7. And the team. I'm still keeping it at a 9 because we don't always all show up, but generally, on average, people are here and working on things. So I'm going to leave that as a 9 and no process improvement, and back to you.
Okay, I'm gonna give myself a 3, I guess. I did do something besides showing up for the meeting. Team, I'll go with an 8, and I don't have a process improvement. So, do you want to talk about anything in crosstalk that's recorded?
No.
Okay, we will shut her down.